In this video, I'm going to be doing my gaming review on the new Samsung Galaxy A35 5G to see how video games run on this device. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. As you guys know, I'm doing a gaming test on this phone and I've been using this device for a little over a week now. And honestly, I've been enjoying myself with this device. It has a big, beautiful display. Obviously, the Exynos 1380 is in here. And we also have either 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM inside of our device. The base version of this is going to have 6 gigabytes of RAM. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and test out a few games that we have right here. The first one, of course, is Call of Duty Mobile. The second one is PUBG Mobile. And the third is the most graphic intensive game, which of course is Genshin Impact. So we're going to go and start off with the most basic game, I believe, is the most basic game, Call of Duty Mobile, and see how that runs. And of course, if you guys aren't a stranger to the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, this has dual speakers as well. So we have stereo speakers on this device, actually pretty loud and crisp ones as well. We're gonna have one at the bottom right here, and of course there's gonna be one at the headset as well. So super excited about that. That's definitely going to give you a much better gaming experience since you're not going to be covering up 2 speakers at once, but always great to see that we have dual speakers on the device. So by default, they're going to be set to medium for graphic quality, and frame rate, it's going to be set to very high. So we're just going to put it on high and see how this runs. But honestly, everything as far as the graphics looked, I played a game before this, did some Nuketown, and it looked pretty good. And so far, everything is looking pretty decent. Hopefully we can have a decent running game as well right now. Let's see how it goes. All right. Well, right off the bat, this is absolutely playable. There's going to be no issues playing this game, obviously. Let's go and take that dude out. It's a very smooth running game, though. The textures and shadowing are looking good as well. Looking good. I'd say, like, of course, like PS3 graphics or like CSGO graphics or something like that, but this is looking pretty good. Let's try some of these kill streaks right here. Boom. We got a double right there. Of course. Let's see what we can get with this. Nice. Yeah, so this game runs extremely fine at high graphical settings and of course high frame rate as well. So you guys are going to have absolutely no issue playing Call of Duty Mobile on the Galaxy A35. And of course, if you guys know about the A54, same processor, same thing right here. It's going to work just fine. And of course, the second game that we're going to go ahead and boot up is PUBG Mobile. Now, this is one of the most popular games on the Game Store right now, or the Play Store, I should say. So, yeah, we're going to see how this works. All right, everyone, so we're about to drop right now in PUBG. But if we go to the graphical settings right here, we're going to show you what we're running at. So as you guys can see, we're running at HD and high frame rate. So that is going to be the default when you boot up this video game. Also, we can use HDR as well. So that's great to see. So let's go ahead and check that out and see how this runs. All right, y'all, so we have touched down right here. And shadowing looks decent so far. Graphics look okay. I'm definitely going to have to search for some weapons real quick right here. But I'm going to show you how the gameplay looks in a second, but everything is looking pretty decent so far. Alright guys, so we have our first person right here. Boom. Nice. So we got an elimination off of that. Another person right there in the distance. Actually, let's go ahead and take this buggy and see how this works on our way to that other person, but that seemed to be fine right there. Really no glitches or anything. Let's go ahead and take this to that person if they're still over there. Oh, they're right here. Cool. Let's hit them. Bye-bye. Knocked. Did we get that elimination? Nice. We got the elimination. There we go. Looks like we have someone else on the side of us. Or a couple people. Wow. There we go. So as you guys can see, this game runs fine. 4 eliminations right there. This is going to run completely fine. And the last and final game, and I feel like the most graphic intensive game on here, Genshin Impact. We're going to go ahead and start this up and see how this looks as well. Alright guys, before I start this game off right here, just a heads up, the default is going to be low. But I've been running this on medium, and this is what we're going to do the test on. Low runs totally fine. There's no issues with it. There's not really any glitches or anything like that. But it seems like medium runs really decently as well. So I'm going to be showing you medium right there, render resolution medium, shadow effect medium, visual effects medium, and of course 30 frames per second for our frames per second right here. But I think it looks good at medium graphic settings. Obviously, you're going to get a little bit more graphic and detail when you run it on medium. It's not going to look super weird. On low graphical settings, you're going to get a little bit of a better graphic quality. So I think medium is probably the best to run it on in this game. And it's been running decent. I played this a little bit ago for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and it was playing good. So I think medium is definitely the way to go when playing Genshin Impact on the A35. And yeah, just an example for you guys right here. It looks decent. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, but I think this is absolutely a playable game on medium graphical setting. All right, so we have some actual enemies over here. How we go against these guys real quick. Using one of our special moves right here. There we go. I mean, I haven't really seen any glitches or anything yet, so I'm pretty impressed with this so far. Boom. Looks good. Obviously, through the camera, too, it's not going to do it justice, but it looks decent on the phone, especially with this display. Very, very beautiful display on this phone. We're going to use a big special right there with a bigger animation. And there you go, guys. This runs perfectly fine on medium graphical settings on the Galaxy A35 5G. Alright guys, so that was my gaming review on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, or I guess you can call it gaming test. I thought everything ran pretty well. Of course, we can run high graphical settings on Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG. Genshin Impact, we can run medium graphical settings without really flipping out or anything like that. And you may even be able to run 60 frames per second on there if you're lucky. I feel like everything ran fine, so if you guys are really like just leisure gamers, if you guys aren't super hardcore gamers right here and you don't really care about the best chipset possible and you just need something like a mid-range or budget phone, this is going to do it for you. It ran pretty decently. We have some good speakers on this device, of course, stereo speakers on here, a decent display, and I didn't even really have any heating issues on this either. It's about 80 degrees outside, don't have air on. The windows are closed. I'm under a heat lamp. And as far as the heat goes, there is a little tiny bit of warmth on back, and you are gonna feel it if you are in these types of conditions because this is a glass back, but it's not anything that's unbearable. So yeah, everything so far looks pretty decent. This was the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G gaming review. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. And if you guys want to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.